In your opinion, what's the difference between Filipino women and Western women?
Filipino women is conservative and we know how to cook, to love you.
Kind, loving, caring. Hi! Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lori. In today's video, we are going to interview beautiful Filipinas from the province of Tigaon, Bicol, Philippines. And we are going to ask them, what's the difference between Filipino women and Western women? What is your name?
Kyla po.
Kyla, are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single po.
For how long have you been single?
Since birth.
Wow! And how old are you?
21.
21. That's very beautiful. Okay. Kyla, what is your course?
My course po is B.Ed. Education po for general.
For general. Okay. And what year are you now?
4th year po.
Wow! And after that, you will graduate and take the exam and you can teach, right?
Yes.
That's very beautiful. So you're going to be a teacher. Well, congratulations in advance. Okay. Anyway, Kyla, here is the question. In your opinion, what's the difference between Filipino women and Western women?
For me po, the differences between Pinay and foreigner is the the foreigner are more easy to talk, and sometimes Filipino women are it's very hard to talk when it comes to communication.
So, what's really the reason why some Filipinas are very hard to talk to?
Of trust issue, something.
Trust issues. Why do you think Western men are leaving their countries and come to the Philippines to find a woman?
For me, based on my observation, are more lovable, caring, and humble.
Humble. Well, that's very beautiful. For the last question, Kyla, would you date a foreigner?
Um, for now, I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes, but we don't know.
What is your name?
Princess Ara Vergara.
That's a very beautiful name, Princess. Nice to meet you, Princess. How old are you?
19 years old.
19 years old. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
You're single. For how long have you been single, Princess?
2 years.
2 years. Wow, that's quite long, guys. Okay, anyway, what course are you taking, Princess?
Bachelor of Secondary Education po.
What major?
It says FSN.
What is that?
Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, major in Fitness and Sports Management.
Wow. And what year are you now?
Second year college.
Second year college. So 2 more years and you will graduate, right?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, Princess, here is the question. In your opinion, what is the difference between Filipino women and Western women?
Um, Filipino women is conservative, and while foreign women is liberated.
Liberated. Okay, I see. How about why do you think Western men are leaving their countries and come to the Philippines to find a woman?
Because Filipino is a material wife.
They are material wife. Okay, I see. Would you date a foreigner for Princess?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Esther Rebecca C. Abella.
Esther. That's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Esther. How old are you, Esther?
I'm 19 years old.
19 years old. Esther is very cute in
Yeah.
person. Like your face is very small. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
For how long?
2
How long have
years.
you been single? 2 years.
I'm 2 years, yeah.
2 years. Wow, that's quite long already. What course are you taking?
I'm taking RedTech, Radiologic Technology.
MedTech. RedTech.
Radiologic.
That's my first time to hear that course. Anyway, what year are you now?
Second year.
Second year college. 2 more years and she will graduate. Anyway, Esther, here is the question. In your opinion, what is the differences between Filipino women and Western women?
In my opinion, their differences is in physical and characteristic. In physical, Western women is more likely about their faces. They have high nose, pointed nose, and their skin is so white. And we Filipino is more like morena, flat nose, and our characteristic is we're such caring, loving. We know how to cook, to love you,
That's correct.
to love you as a partner.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's all.
And how about the characteristics of Western women?
I think they focus on business, like something like that.
They're more business minded for you, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think Western men are leaving their countries and come to the Philippines to find a woman? Yata yung mga foreigner nagdidigdi sa Pilipinas para maghanap kang partner ninda.
Because they say it's more fun in the Philippines.
But anyway, thank you so much. Would you date a foreigner?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm glad about that.
Oh, okay. She mentioned earlier that her mother, her stepdad is foreigner, right?
Yes.
What is her name?
Melissa Sampigan po.
Melissa. That's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you. How old are you, Melissa?
20 years old.
20 years old. Are you still studying?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
Education.
Education. Major in?
Values education.
Values education. That's very beautiful. And what year are you now?
Second year po.
Second year college. Okay. So 2 more years and you will graduate, right? Okay, beautiful. Anyway, Melissa, here is the question. In your opinion, what is the difference between Filipino women and Western women?
Ang Filipino women po is darkness and
Darkness.
mababa.
Okay, they have dark skin and they're small, or their height is not that tall, right? Okay, and how about Western women?
Matatangkad po sila tapos mapupo.
They're tall and they have lighter skin or white skin. Okay. How about in characteristic, or how are they as a person?
Sa Western po, wala akong gaanong alam sa character nila. Pero sa Pilipino po, is sila ay mapagmahal at caring.
She doesn't really know. She doesn't know anything about for Western women when it comes to character, but Filipino women, they are
Kind,
loving, caring. Why do you think Western men are leaving their countries and come to the Philippines to find a woman?
Kasi ang mga Pilipino po, sila po yung caring and mapagmahal.
So, because Filipinas, they're caring and they're loving person, right? For the last question, would you date a foreigner? No. Okay, so you prefer Filipino?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, Melissa, thank you so much for having this interview with us. Salamat.
Beautiful reflections